Hello everyone, welcome to Electronics Workshop. Today in this video, we are going to make our own PCB for traffic light controller. This is very simple project especially for the beginners of PCB design. Go to Kicad and make a new project named Traffic Light Controller. After then, you can find a place to design schematic and PCB respectively. To draw the schematic, first of all, load all the symbol library by pressing A in the keyboard. The first component that we are going to place is resistor. For that, search resistor in the symbol section and press OK. We need 3 resistor in out project, so you can directly copy the symbol and paste it. Arrange the position of the resistor so that it looks clear in your schematic. We are using all the resistor of 220 ohms, so set the value to 220 in all the resistor, so that it become easy to understand the schematic. Now, search LED in the symbol section to place a light emitting diode in the schematic part. Place 3 LED in the schematic section, which indicates red, yellow, and green lights of the traffic sign. Insert the 4-pin connector, which in a while can be connected to a microcontroller. Continue routing of the symbol as shown. Respective footprint to all the symbol. The footprint for each symbol depends on the components that you are using in your project, so you must be very accurate while selecting the footprint. After inserting all the footprint in the symbol, you can click in Schematic to Footprint Converter to draw your final PCB. This is our PCB section. Here we have all the footprint used in our project. Our first task is to place all the components accurately in the PCB board as per our requirements. Draw the edge cut of the PCB that defines the outline of the PCB board. Place all the components inside the PCB board and start routing all the components. After completing the routing process, you can see the 3D view of the project to visualize the project. After completing the PCB design, you can download the manufacturing files. Generally, the files required for ordering a PCB are Gerber file, bill of materials file, and position file. Downloading all the manufacturing files. Now, we are going to place this order in one of the finest PCB manufacturer, PCB Go. So you can go to Google and search for PCB Go or directly click on the link provided in description. After then, you will get this interface. If we are new to this website, we need to first log in with our official Gmail account. Now, it's time to place the order. For the instant quotation, you can use PCB manufacturing calculator section by entering the length, width, and quantity of the PCB you require. In this section, you can select the different requirements needed while manufacturing the PCB, including layer, thickness, solder mask, and so on. After completing all these, you can add your order to basket. Finally, you need to add your Gerber file in this section. In this section, you can see the charge of the PCB is only $5. Now our order is under review. After our order get approved, you can directly go to proceed the payment section, pay the respective amount, and get the best quality PCB in your location.
With over 20 years as an industry leader, PCB Go Circuits is one of the most experienced PCB manufacturers in China. We're proud to manufacture high-quality PCBs and PCB assembly, and provide a safe and prosperous workplace for our more than 200 employees. It's our goal to be the easiest printed circuit board manufacturer to do business with. To achieve that goal, we just communicate with our PCB customer closely and take actions shortly if there is any question. Each PCB order placed from PCB Go will be on-time delivery. We have 24 hours online customer service to handle the engineer questions or problems you may have with your orders. Place your order now on PCBGogo.com.